A new year has begun, and to keep budget low, I'll make almost every dinner from dough. How can she do that? It could be quite boring. This challenge, in fact, I believe worth exploring. The budget, 100 for a week's worth of meals. Let's hope I can find some pretty sweet deals. I'll check out my pantry and freezer before I make any list or go to the store. What does she have? I've got grind bags and roast. I even have tons of shanks. Oh, you boast. We have stew meat and stir fry, or I could make steak. I could even slow cook tasty ribs for our plate. There's potatoes and noodles, even some rice, and so many beans for a chili. Ooh, nice. So let me sit down and sketch out some ideas. I know my family really likes quesadillas, and maybe some sloppy joes or some pad thai. Would they try out something new on the fly? Nah, probably not. I should keep it quite easy. How about a noodle bag? Ooh, that's so cheesy. I like where your head's at. Let's get out the door. So many aisles of food to explore. I'll stick to my list, the budget, the plan, so I won't regret what I cook in my pan. No lobster for us, only deer that's free grazing. Although that crustacean really does taste amazing. I'm thankful for every deer that we got, for all of the tasty meals it brought. So whether you've hunted your own doe with ease, or whether you're stuck with hot dogs, mac and cheese, I pray that this year would be joyful and bright, full of good memories and meals each night. Happy New Year from my family to yours.